Happy Wednesday. Being able to sound organic on a rock bass groove, being able to do what you want to do, having the right sound, and being fluid without being noticed. There you go. All right, drum machine, please. Notice you're in line with the kick drum, you're in line with the hi-hat, and then if you like myself and you're going to be singing over something like this, you will be able to do it. You're not stepping on anybody's toes because of your sound. That sound with that overdrive going on. I mean, I'm not blasting through my Marshall right now, but I'm simulating it thanks to tube emulation. And you know, it's important to have a nice low end, which I can't really pump too much through the way I record it, but and to take out the woof, which is the high low, but also you want to have the upper mid-range not being offensive, and this is where that scoop and and that low end thing comes in, and you'll stand out. When a drummer, God rest his soul, Joe Colleen always said to me, he goes, you know how to have that nice deep sound, but when you want it to rip, when you want it to punch, you can make it punch, and that's what you got to be able to do. You got to know where and know your instrument. I mean, I'm playing many instruments like every night, but it's just because, I don't know, it's just me, but alright, I'm going to do one more example. I'm going to use the same beat, but let's figure out what we can come up with. And you gotta have fun doing what you gotta do, but you also gotta remember you can't step on anybody's toes. And one of the things that I learned sometimes the hard way, but then again, you can't learn without trying. And I was fortunate enough to be working with tolerant people. And I have to say, I really developed the the coordinates of stuff when I was pinned to singing harmonies and working in those 50s and 60s doo-wop bands. If guys you remember, them oldies bands and stuff like that, I really brought it together. Yeah, of course I can play all the great fancy stuff, I mean, that's second nature, but that just comes with doing it. And you got to do a lot of playing, and you got to play, with a lot of different, you got to experience a lot of different people. That might not have come out right. But anyway, that's it, okay? Have a good one.